I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stocks on Binance. First, you'll need to set up and verify your Binance account. This usually involves providing some personal information and completing a quick identity check. Once verified, you can easily deposit funds using options like bank transfers or credit cards. Then, you're ready to explore the stock token offerings available on the platform. After funding your account, head over to the trade section and look for stock tokens. You can use the search bar to quickly find specific company tokens, such as Tesla or Apple. Take a moment to review the current market prices and available trading pairs. This helps you make informed decisions before placing your order. It's a straightforward process to locate what you're looking for. Now it's time to place your buy order. You have two main options: a market order, which executes immediately at the best available price, or a limit order, allowing you to set a specific price you're willing to pay. Enter the quantity of stock tokens you want to buy. Always double-check all the details of your order before confirming to ensure everything is correct. It's a simple click to complete your purchase. Once your order is complete, your new stock tokens will appear in your Binance wallet. It's a good practice to regularly monitor your portfolio's performance. You can set up price alerts to notify you of any significant market changes, helping you react quickly. Remember, diversifying your investments across different assets can help manage risk. Keep an eye on your holdings and adjust as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.